Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic latest price pump. Already 4.10% increase just today for Terra Classic. Now, one thing I noticed about today's trade is that, most times when Bitcoin starts rising, you see many coins mostly pumped, but Terra Classic only pump a little. Let's say if some coins are pumping 4%, you see Terra Classic pumping just 1 or 1.6%. But today, that is totally different. You can see that Terra Classic is one of the top coins that really pumped today. And I'm happy about this. Over 4.10% increase in price. While Bitcoin have actually hit about 2.6% increase in price. So this shows that Terra Classic might be able to rise very soon if they can get things right. There's a possibility that we can see this coin even rise more, okay? And at least the story is different from like other days when most coins are trading, hitting, massively rising, and Terra Classic will not. But today I'm happy to see Luna might end up hitting about 5% increase in price, whereby some coins are still trading on 3, though we still have some coins that actually hit over 10%, 6%, 8%. But for Terra Classic, at least I'm happy to see that Luna today have actually rise, and that have also brought more market cap and of course more trust. Yes, it is good. So it's a good news to see that today, August 23, that Terra Classic have been able to rise more unlike before. And I'm happy that Bitcoin have also rise back to 26,000 plus. So if Bitcoin continues this way, I hope before the end of the week, BTC might hit back at $30,000 price. Of course, it started dropping from 29,000. So before the end of the week, let's say from now to Sunday, yes, from now to the end to Sunday, BTC might be hitting towards 29 or $30,000 price. And if that happens, I see Terra Classic gaining up to 25% or 20% increase in price. And this is exactly what Terra Classic need. Yeah, this is what they need. They need to rise. They need to maintain this. And if they can do this, it will help Terra Classic in the long run. And once again, please remember that we keep on doing videos about crypto industry. This time around, we'll also be mixing different kind of videos on how to earn money online. That is one of the things we'll be doing. Why we'll also be creating some videos about crypto industries, because crypto industry is mainly this channel main niche, main focus is crypto industry, financial industry, how to make money online. That is what we focus on. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.